Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. This is one set of our cement feeder. This is an air compressor that blows air into the feeder, and there is a door on top of the feeder to load the cement into the cement feeder. Cement will be blown into the cement silo through the pipe. If you use the small bag type cement like 25 kilograms per bag, you can use this type bag opening machine to break the small bag type cement and through the screw conveyor to transport cement to the cement feeder. If you use the big type cement like 1 ton per bag, you can use this type bag opening machine to break the bag type cement. The feeder is under the bag breaker and the cement can directly enter the feeder, and then the cement will be blown into the cement silo through the pipe. If you use bag type cement but want to use cement silo to reduce dust on site, please contact us. We can provide you with a complete solution.